The skies are about to change forever, and if you have been waiting for the ultimate compact aerial companion, your patience is finally paying off. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most anticipated drone release of the year, the DJI Mini 6 Pro. This isn't just an incremental update. It is a complete reimagining of what a sub-249-gram drone can achieve, packing technology that was previously reserved for massive, professional-grade cinema rigs into a chassis that fits in the palm of your hand. For years, the drone industry has hit a plateau, but DJI is shattering that ceiling with innovations that change the way we capture the world from above. As we dive deep into these leaks, you will understand why this specific model is poised to render every other drone in your gear bag obsolete. We are talking about advancements in obstacle avoidance that border on science fiction, battery chemistry that pushes flight times into uncharted territory, and a sensor architecture that will make your current footage look like a relic from the past. The story of the Mini 6 Pro starts with the sensor. Leaks coming out of the supply chain indicate that DJI has finally cracked the code for a full-frame equivalent experience in a micro-drone form factor. By utilizing a brand-new stacked CMOS architecture, the Mini 6 Pro is capable of capturing 14 stops of dynamic range, ensuring that even in the most challenging high-contrast lighting scenarios, like a golden hour sunset or a shadow-heavy forest canopy, you're pulling professional-grade detail from every single pixel. This is the holy grail for content creators who need to move fast but refuse to compromise on image fidelity. Imagine being able to shoot in native 6K resolution without overheating, maintaining a buttery, smooth frame rate that makes your cinematic pans look like they were filmed on a Hollywood dolly. But it's not just about the sensor. The flight characteristics have been fundamentally overhauled. With a proprietary new motor design and a dual propeller efficiency system, the Mini 6 Pro is reportedly capable of sustaining flight for an unprecedented 52 minutes on a single charge. Think about what that does to your workflow. You aren't landing every 15 minutes to swap batteries. You're spending more time in the air, finding the perfect angle, and capturing that one elusive shot that makes a video go viral. And when the wind kicks up, the upgraded wind resistance algorithms, powered by a new localized AI processor, allow the drone to lock its position with surgical precision, even in gusts that would have grounded the Mini 4 Pro. Safety is the final frontier for the drone industry, and the Mini 6 Pro is introducing an omnidirectional vision system that uses light detection technology to map the environment in 3 dimensions. You no longer have to worry about power lines, thin tree branches, or those unexpected obstacles that have claimed so many drones in the past. The drone isn't just avoiding objects. It is actively navigating complex terrain autonomously. We are looking at an active track 6.0 system that can follow subjects through dense foliage, under bridges, and around moving vehicles with a level of reliability that feels like having a professional pilot flying for you. As we analyze the leaks regarding the transmission system, we see the jump to the next generation of OcuSync. With a crystal-clear, low-latency feed that remains stable even at distances exceeding 15 kilometers, you have total confidence to push your creative boundaries. Whether you are an adventure seeker filming mountain peaks, a real estate mogul shooting high-end properties, or a filmmaker crafting your next big project, this drone is designed to be an extension of your own eyes. The integration with third-party software and the revamped DJI Fly app means your footage can be transferred, graded, and uploaded in seconds. The era of the professional-grade, pocket-sized drone is officially here, and it is going to redefine the landscape of content creation for the rest of 2026 and beyond. Stay tuned, because the official announcement date is closer than you think, and the pre-order queues are expected to break records.